Contrary to popular belief, there are many ways to start a business that allow you to focus on getting started rather than the logistics and upfront costs. These low-investment business ideas are ideal for beginners, bootstrappers, or anyone with a hectic schedule, as they allow you to start a side business without having to drop everything else. Hello and welcome to our channel for another entertaining video. In this video, we'll show you how to start a small business with little money this year, the simple way. So let's get started. You must still come up with a solid idea, create a brand, invest in marketing, and provide excellent customer service. However, many traditional startup costs, such as initial inventory, warehousing, and retail space, can be avoided. Here are some low-cost business ideas you can start today. The best low-investment business ideas for a side hustle. To come up with emerging low-investment business ideas that you can start today, you must first assess your strengths, skills, assets, and financial situation. Once you figure that out, you'll have a solid foundation from which to evaluate the business models that work for you. Let's start by learning about a useful framework for keeping your business investments low. A framework for brainstorming low-investment business ideas. Consider what makes a business idea a low investment. What are the current methods for businesses to reduce their costs? Some of the methods are listed below. Sell without maintaining inventory. Purchase inventory, store it, pick it, pack it, and ship it. When you run a business, managing inventory can be a significant time commitment, not to mention an expense. With third-party fulfillment models such as dropshipping, you can significantly reduce your investment and operational expenses by eliminating the hassles of inventory entirely. Provide a service for sale. Services, as opposed to products, have lower overheads and operational costs because they don't require development, manufacturing, sourcing, stocking, or shipping. You would essentially be selling a skill or expertise multiplied by time. As a result, depending on the service you select, you will have more opportunities to reduce your initial investment and ongoing expenses. Produce and resell digital assets. Products and assets that are entirely digital are a special case in which, once created, they can be replicated an infinite number of times into copies at no extra cost. This effectively means that your marginal cost of scaling is zero. Furthermore, the cost of production is limited to your computer and any tools you use to create the digital product. Make a hobby or a passion into a business. If you already spend time doing something as a hobby or a passion, and there is a market for what you do or create, you can turn it into a business with a little extra effort or investment. Investigate new markets. Any company's success is ultimately determined by its ability to reach its customers and make sales. As a result, marketing is a significant expense. Targeting emerging niches is a great way to reduce your marketing investment because your potential customers will be easier to reach and convert online, even if the niche limits your market size. To keep your investment low, you can use more than one of the methods listed above. If you choose online teaching as a low-investment business idea, you'll be creating and selling digital assets while turning a hobby into a business and exploring an emerging niche in the subject you teach. Also keep in mind that the businesses discussed in this article do not include less active options for making money on the side that could be considered opportunities to earn a passive income, such as renting out your property. You can learn more about how to earn money while sleeping by visiting our blog about passive income fundamentals. So, with the above considerations in mind, let's go over the business ideas listed below. Number 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model in which a third-party supplier stores and ships inventory on your behalf to customers. You only need to make sales and forward orders to your supplier. You don't need to handle the product yourself. As a result, dropshipping is the very definition of selling without inventory, the way to make almost any business selling physical products to consumers a low-investment business. To further reduce your expenses, you can curate products from one or more suppliers into your own online store under a theme that focuses on a specific emerging niche, such as yoga gear or dog water bowls. When a customer purchases a product from you, the order is forwarded to your supplier, who fulfills it on your behalf. You're, however, still in charge of your own marketing and customer service. You can work with both local and international suppliers as long as you can build trusting relationships with them. An untrustworthy supplier will reflect poorly on your brand. Dropshipping is a low-cost method of testing product market fit and starting a business before investing in your own original products. Just make sure to always order a sample for yourself to ensure that your supplier is dependable and that the product quality is suitable for selling to your customers. Number 2. Create and market print-on-demand products. Print on demand is another dropshipping model that entrusts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment to third-party suppliers. However, unlike the dropshipping concept discussed above, the emphasis here is on customizing these products with your own designs to create something unique. You can easily turn this into a profitable business if you have an eye for creative graphics and aesthetics. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts, tote bags, and other items become blank canvases for your imagination. For example, if you can come up with witty slogans for developers or references that resonate with cat owners, if there's passion and pride in a community, you can start a t-shirt business. By targeting a niche, you can also reduce your marketing costs. Even if you aren't a designer, you can find one to work with on the freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, TopTool, or even LinkedIn. Because many print-on-demand services charge per product, the base price per unit will be higher than if you ordered in bulk. However, the advantage is that if a particular design does not sell, you've not yet paid for the item, only the design if you outsourced it. If you want to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business, you can even use t-shirt mock-up templates to avoid having to pay for a full Photoshop for each new design. Number 3. Open a personalized gift shop. Personalized gifts have their own advantages as a business concept. Find a niche and have multiple opportunities to increase your sales. Custom gifting is unique in that it allows people to commemorate important dates while also conveying close affection. This is an emerging niche with numerous small players. However, as previously stated, you can find your niche in one of 2 broad categories. Unique ideas include photo frames and keychains. Group gifts, such as commemorative gifts, can be viewed as a B2B prospect. You can set your company apart by offering unique items and customizable packaging. For those with creativity and tenacity, personalized gifts can be a viable business option. Confetti Gifts is one such company that has curated a one-of-a-kind collection of gifts for every occasion. You can choose to make your own gift box if necessary, or you can purchase your unique gift ideas. Number 4. Make money online by selling your digital creations, music, photography, and digital art. On this list, digital products such as music, courses, ebooks, and templates are unique. They are not tangible products unlike the others. As a result, you don't have to worry about recurring manufacturing or shipping costs, keeping your margins high. The challenge is determining what makes a good digital product. The answers range from original instrument beats to stock photos that can be licensed to other creators to information products and templates that help people advance in their careers. Cookbooks, picture books, comic books, poetry books, photo books, coffee table books, and novels are all examples of original books you can bring to the market if you have knowledge or creativity. If you have a blog or want to start one, publishing your own book can be a great way to monetize it. You can think about pre-selling or crowdfunding your book idea to ensure demand and a certain number of customers for a bulk order. Examine the various crowdfunding platforms available. If you're artistic and know how to use a camera, you can dropship using a print-on-demand business model to allow others to earn a piece of your work. Just make sure that you own the content that you want to print, unless you're using public domain assets that you can freely monetize. If you already have a large online following, such as a cartoonist or an urban photographer, you're in an excellent position to try this business idea. If you have a skill that can be turned into a digital product, you should consider packaging it. Create a new source of income. Number 5. Market courses or webinars. You could consider this a serious venture if you believe you have a skill set or abilities that are transferable and teachable. Your knowledge and experience can assist others in developing the necessary skill set. People look to online courses to significantly improve their skills and advance their careers. However, some people are now looking at courses because they are passionate about the subject and want to pursue it. You have a dedicated audience that is willing to pay for and commit to the course. You can choose a niche topic in the category or focus on current market trends. All you need to demonstrate is a qualifying certification or expertise, a camera, and an editing software. Your courses can be found on a variety of platforms, including WordPress plugins and Udemy. If you don't want to invest in a course, webinars or workshops may be an option. This brings us to the end of the video. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you liked this video, please spread the word and subscribe to our channel for more great content and up-to-date information. Until next time, take care.